if you cannot prove that you're vaccinated, you can face unpaid leave for a year. I mean, there are consequences for not having a vaccination. And the teachers are claiming in court papers that this violates their due process rights. And it's in a federal court on appeal. And they were seeking an injunction, but they're only getting it until a 3-judge panel reviews it, and that's going to happen on Wednesday. So what happens after that, it's unclear. It depends on what the judges decide.
So turning to the mandates for healthcare workers, can you help us understand why Governor Hochul might need to declare a state of emergency, or why she thinks she might need to declare a state of emergency? What would this empower her to do?
There's fear among administrators of hospitals and nursing homes that there'll be staff shortages. Many hospitals, their vaccination rate is 90%, about that, but that's still a lot of workers to lose in one shot. So already you're seeing some hospitals pare back services. You're not taking in elective surgeries, for instance. One hospital is not doing maternity anymore. So Governor Hochul came by yesterday and she said, I'm prepared to declare a state of emergency that would help fill any gap in staff shortages.
So Governor Hochul has been in office for about a month now. Is this vaccine showdown telling us anything about her leadership style, or any conclusion you could draw to this point?
Hochul's been out very public all week, and her stance has been, consistently, this is the best thing for the patients. You've had plenty of time prepared for this. It's probably a politically popular move. There was one poll earlier this month that found, in general, the public, in New York State at least, is approving of vaccine mandates.
So before we let you go, do you see some national implications of these developments? I mean, do you think New York is setting a precedent here that might spread across the country?
New York is not the only state to try a vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. There are a lot of court challenges to it in federal and state court. So in that case, if the federal court finally reaches a resolution, there could be a precedent that way. But certainly, New York is a big state, and I'm sure people are paying attention.
That was AP New York reporter Michael Hill. Michael Hill, thank you so much for talking with us.
Sure thing.
Get vaccinated, everybody. Keep wearing masks. Let's get rid of the Trump virus. Stop the people who are trying to spread it, because they're Nazis trying to make a genocide. So let's stop the Trump virus, however we have to do it.